All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create a blog on Shopify. So to upload, post a blog on Shopify. And I'm actually like killing two birds with one stone. I'm going to post a blog on Shopify while making a YouTube video about posting a blog on Shopify while posting a blog on Shopify. So I'm doing three in one. We're going to use ChatGPT to speed up this entire process. So I'm literally starting from scratch. So to get to this screen, you're just going to go to online store. And you need at least the basic Shopify account to do this. So sales channel, online store, blog post, and then you're going to go to add blog post. If you don't know, this channel handles like everything like SEO, AI, and user experience. So the name is AISEOUX. So the topic is blog on Shopify. So I've talked about, if you've read some of my other articles, I talked about some of my favorite keyword tools or some of my other videos. But basically, this is keyword.io. I have WordStream up as well and Uber Suggest. So these are my three favorite free tools. So we're going to find like the right keyword to go with for this blog post. So basically, I just kind of guessed. I'm like how to post blogs on Shopify. What we see here is post products, how to add blog posts on Shopify. It's not a great search volume, but for the sake of this video, we're still going to go ahead and go along with this. And it might be larger on YouTube. So Uber suggests is like, let's see, Shopify blog post image size. Maybe it's something I can cover in this. Let's see, or I can make a totally different blog post about that. Can you create a blog with Shopify? Shopify, how to make a blog post on Shopify. Okay. So those are the kind of keywords I'm going to go for. What was this one again? How to post blog on Shopify. All of them are kind of like the same. So I'm going to go in ChatGPT and, well, actually, first thing we're going to do is let's go with this one here. I'm going to copy this keyword. We're going to go to Google. We're going to type it in here. We're going to see who's ranking top. Shopify. Okay, cool. Based on this, it's going to be hard to rank, right? But we see some non-Shopify posts here. All right, well, we'll see what we can do. Let's copy this link address. Let's post in ChatGPT 4. We're going to be like, what is the user intent of boom? It's going to do some research with Bing. And then what I'm going to try doing is creating an article about that. So this is like a new chat, and we're starting off the chat like this. We kind of want to get the AI kind of in the vibe of like what we're trying to accomplish here. So I'm going to say, write a 2,000 word blog article about this user intent and link to, so this is about link to, we're just going to say link to my homepage. I always like to add at least one, I'm going to say link to here, and reference, I'm going to even reference Shopify. So let's say reference this link. Reference, boom. Okay, let's see what happens. I always like to push AI to the limit. And look, now it's discussing the strategy. And while it's doing this, I'm going to pull up another ChatGPT portal or whatever. And I'm going to use DALL-E. Now, I also need to make a thumbnail for YouTube. So I'm actually just going to use the YouTube thumbnail expert this time, just because I'm going to make a YouTube about this anyways. So I'm going to, but I usually use DALL-E. I'll show you both. So I'm going to say, let's see, /mode1. And this thing asks a lot of questions. I'm going to say, right. Oh, okay. It's going to ask me like, what's the theme? One, how to, what's the keyword we're going for here? Make a blog post on Shopify. How to make a blog post on Shopify. Let's see. To main focus, combination 3, emotional detailing, needs help. 4, we'll say NA 5, N dash A. Okay, just hurry up. Okay, let's just see what happens with this. And I'm also literally gonna pull up a third one here. No, don't let me lose you. Don't let me lose you. We're gonna try Gilbert Art Designer. I like this one because it shows multiple options. I'm gonna say create a blog article hero image for, what's the keyword here? Let's try another keyword here. Just to oh no. Okay, how to post blog on Shopify. For how to post blog on Shopify. Just go. Now get to work. All right, now let's see how my AI boys are doing here. Here we have an article. Okay, I'm gonna tell it. It already outlined it. I'm like, that's cool. What was the other thing we wanted to mention? Actually, I'm gonna make an entirely different post about this later. I'm gonna say mention. Yeah. Go ahead and write. Now hurry up. 2,000 word article is not feasible. Okay, just write the whole thing. Oh man, I kind of hate it when it does this. Just write the whole thing. Just write the whole thing and make it as long as possible. Golly, bro, I don't have time for all that. Okay, just write as much as you can. It does not have to be 2,000 words. Oh my gosh, bro. Stop. Okay, this is like going really stupid on me. Okay, this thing went straight up stupid, bro. Let's start over. What is the user intent of? Let's go to this post here. No, where's the Shopify post? Yes, I'm here with you. Sorry if it made a mistake. Sometimes that happens. Okay, write a long form blog article about. So it said it can't do 2,000 on GPT-4. Some of these other ones can actually do that. I think this one does it, fully optimized one. A lot of these other like apps actually do it. So to find those, go to Explore GPTs. A lot of them will do 2,000, but it's kind of annoying to copy and paste. So I'm just gonna like make it as long as possible. Very good. Okay. Oh, dang it. Stop. Write a long form blog article about that. See, that was my fault. We both made mistakes. User intent, link to, again, link to here, and reference, and I wanted to reference this Shopify post, which I've copied like 7 times now. Boom! Come on, baby. Thank you. Golly. And I'm not in love with the title, so the title I'm actually going to come up with is going to be um I'm going to post my video in this blog too eventually after I upload it. I can probably do that like right now. Maybe no, I can't do it in the course of this video because I have to end the video in order to upload it. Let's see. Enhancing. Okay, I'm going to say write a FAQ. So I always add an FAQ. Now we can start copying stuff here. All right, let's copy this down. We can exclude the word introduction. All right. Boom. And then we're just going to add an FAQ down here. This blog post is kind of like borderline inaccurate. That happens sometimes, but we at least got a nice FAQ here. And I wish it would have. God, like, usually ChatGPT is not this bad. This is like this is actually kind of unusual. I'm gonna say FAQ. Let's paste all this stuff. But like, let's make this like an H3 or something. Let's make this like a H2. Usually it'll do that for me. Weirdly enough, it just didn't. No, just this. God, I don't know why it does that sometimes. Okay, sometimes it'll like do that. I just honestly don't know why. Okay, so we want to like format it so it looks right. Okay, what are these looking like here? YouTube blog post. This is actually pretty good, bro. So we're going to download this one. We'll use that one, and then what did this one come up with for the blog? Blog. Wow, these are really good. Dang, they upgrade this freaking for some reason I like this one. My God, man, this one's good. I usually would use DALL-E, but this is DALL-E. No, this is Gilbert Art. Yeah, I told you Gilbert Art's really good. DALL-E is good. All these are good. So let's go to compressor.io, and what we're gonna do is compress the images so the file size is less. Now this is optional, obviously, but I definitely recommend doing this because like what'll happen is you'll just get like a faster loading page. So we're gonna download that one. We're gonna download this one. Let me go ahead and just go to my download folder here. All right, so we can delete these two because we're not gonna use them. I always recommend like having a light, keeping organized in your download folder, but it already kind of has like a nice looking. We're gonna work on the file. It already has like a nice looking explanation. Like you can just use that as the alt text maybe. Just use the same alt text. I'm not gonna delete the one. I'm just too lazy right now. Thumbnail features. That's fine. Great. Okay. All right. So we're almost done. Pretty much created a blog. And make that visible. We're gonna pick this one. Honestly, both of these are just so good. Website SEO. So now I'm going to go back to ChatGPT. I'm going to say, write a meta title for this using the keyword. We're going to use the exact keyword. Let's say how to make a blog post on Shopify. A blog post on Shopify in 60 characters or less. Why 60 characters? Because like it gets cut off on the search engine result page. Okay, that's pretty good. Oh no, God no. I didn't do all that for my freaking computer to die. Plug that thing up. Oh my gosh, man. It was a close call, bro, because that thing shuts down fast after it goes. My computer's like 3 years old now, or 2 years old. Okay, man, I like forgot what I was doing. Okay, write a meta description. Description using that keyword. Using the keyword. I'm gonna use an alternate keyword. Keyword. I know this is kind of advanced stuff, but let's just say how to post on Shopify. No, how to post blog on Shopify. In 150 characters or less. Very cool. Very nice. So where does this go? I can't remember if I already showed it. So that goes here. The meta title, the page title. This stuff is all important if you want to get Google search traffic. So I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna use this as the actual title as well. And online on this, I'm just gonna say 2024, and I'm gonna say use that as the title. And we have ourselves a blog post. I think the URL is okay. Okay, and we're done. Maybe we could do a Shopify tag here. Shopify. Cool. Post. All right, let's see what it looks like. Boom. Now that part looks a little weird. But whatever. Okay, it looks all right. I would have absolutely loved for this to be a little bit longer, but I guess it's just not that hard to do. That's actually like not even how you do it. So let me go back and like edit this thing. Navigating to the blog posts. Blog posts section in your Shopify admin panel, online store, see online, say see online store under sales channel. Okay. All right. Nice job. Now that's how you do it. It only took almost 20 minutes, but we got ourselves a blog post. That links. Oh yeah, you see the links too? Let's go ahead and refresh this. You see the links too? Usually this thing kind of it looks all right. Usually it kind of what's the word? Format's a little bit better, but Shopify's own guidelines. Nice, nicely done. All right, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Peace out.